So far we learned what is Hugging Face and what are the different models that are available inside Hugging Face and how to create an account and how to get the access token. And also we have seen these use cases: sentence summarization, image understanding, and how to build the sentence translation pipeline using Transformers library. And now let's see another sentence summarization pipeline using Transformers library. Okay, so let's go to VS Code. We have already seen sentence summarization. So let's do one other project. So file, new file, Python file, and let's save this as sentence summarization 2. So the first thing is make sure you install the Transformers package in case if you haven't installed already. And then let's try to import this pipeline from Transformers and also Torch module, right? And now by using this pipeline function, let's pass the values for task as summarization, and the model that we are using is Facebook BART large CNN, and Torch D type is equal to float. And now if you want to know more about this model, so let me take you there. So we have already used this model and we have implemented this sentence summarization, right? So this is the same model again we are using. Okay, so let's prepare the input text that you want to summarize. So this is our input text. We want to summarize this text by using pipeline function, which is from Transformers, right? So we already know we have a summarizer function. For this we are passing our input text and we want minimum length at least 10 and maximum length 100, right? So this summarizer will summarize this text. So let's print the summary and now let's run the code and see. Okay, so the model is able to summarize this text. So the device is set to use CPU, but in case if you want to use GPU, you can change it and rerun the code. Okay, so what we have done here, we install the Transformers package, and once we install the package, we are trying to import pipeline function from Transformers and then Torch. The first thing is we are using this pipeline function and we are setting the task, model, and Torch D type. And then this is the input text that we want to summarize, and we are using the summarizer function and we are setting the input text and what is the minimum length and maximum length that we want to summarize this text, and we are trying to print the summarized text, right? So this is how you can build the summarization pipeline by using Transformers library. All right, thank you.